If you're struggling to stay consistent in trading, it's probably not your strategy. It's because you're starting with entries instead of context. And that's exactly why you keep getting stopped out. In this video, I'm going to show you a real example and the exact moment most traders get trapped. I trade ES and NQ, but this applies to any market that respects structure. I'm not using indicators. No signals. Just a few key levels. Monthly open, weekly open, and how price behaves around them. And pay attention because later in this example, there's a moment where everything looks like continuation, but it's actually where most traders get it wrong. The main thing I care about isn't entries. It's context. Where's price? And how is it behaving when it gets there? I'm only watching for three things: acceptance, rejection, or hesitation. That's it. On the higher time frame, price opens above the monthly open. That's our context. Early in the session, we push into the range high. And this is where most traders get active. We break above the level. And this is where people make the mistake. They see the break and assume it's going higher. But I'm not thinking about entries yet. I'm watching behavior. Let's zoom in. Does price accept above this level? Or is this just a quick move? That's the only question that matters. Now price pulls back and comes into the weekly open. This is the decision point. Most traders panic here. They think the move is failing. But watch what actually happens. Price holds, reclaims the level, and starts expanding higher. That's acceptance. This is the only framework I use. Acceptance, continuation, rejection, rotation, hesitation. Nothing to do. No indicators. No guessing. Just how price behaves at levels. Most traders struggle because they start with entries. They're looking for setups, signals, confirmations. But they don't even understand where price is. And if you don't have context, nothing you do will be consistent. If you want to simplify your trading, stop focusing on entries. Start paying attention to behavior. That shift alone changes everything. If this helped you see the market differently, subscribe. I'm going to break this down in real time in the next videos.